How to delete search history on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. And here you will have two options. You can either click on history or you can click on settings and then scroll down to the basics section, and from there click on privacy and security and then click on clear browsing data. And here you will be able to access this page, so choose whatever option you want. They will both take you here. And once you're here, you need to make sure that all of the boxes are unchecked except the browsing history box. And from the time range drop down, choose whatever time range you want to clear the search history for. So say for example last 7 days or last hour and stuff like that. However, if you wanted to delete all of your search history, click all time. I'm going to choose last 7 days, for example. Once you do that, click on clear data at the bottom right of the screen. And there you have it. You just deleted the search history for that specific time range. So that was it for this video. That's how you can clear search history in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.